getting ready for first to check what's happening in my laptop. Like, I don't know, I have to replace the battery or something, I don't know. And then maybe we will like visit some puja pandals, and then I don't know, maybe we might eat something. I will try to shoot everything, and that's it. I will just simply use some lip tint, and that's it. I'm not applying anything on my skin. It's really hot and humid in Dibrugarh. I think it's and then some hand creams. My hands are really getting dry in this weather. So that's it. I will show you guys my full outfit. So this is where I'm keeping the laptop. Like this school bag, not school bag, my bag, my hand. What kind of bag is that? Yeah, my backpack. My backpack is like dirty, so I will just carry this with me. And I'm going with my father's best friend and his daughter. Bye bye. I also bought an heel. I will show you guys how it looks on me. I think my fingers look like ginger, but it's fine. So now I'm going to get ready for a family dinner. Like my father's friend, like 3 families, including our family, we are going for a family dinner. And I also went to that laptop repairing shop, so he said that my keyboard is not working. I mean, the power button was not working. He said that something was wrong with my keyboard, so I have to change the whole keyboard, and he is charging me 2,500. So I have to go like on like 3rd or 4th of October, because he doesn't have any keyboard that is compatible with my laptop, so he have to order it from Giani. So it will just take time. And he also gave me this one for free. I don't know, maybe he's charging me some extra money, that's why he is giving me some free stuff for his sin to be like, I don't know. I'm always very suspicious. So now I will get ready, and then I will also, I don't know, it depends if I want to shoot my get ready with me or not. Let's see, it depends on my mood and urgency, because my family is like jaldi karo, jaldi karo. So totally depends on my family how my parents are going to react. So that's it. Bye bye. And I will shoot what I eat, what I am going to wear, and all of those. So this is the kurti I'm wearing, and I will do a transition. So I will do some slight makeup. Not makeup exactly. I will do some eyebrow and then lipstick. Maybe some eyeshadow, I don't know.
Pero papel, papel. নাই যে মই দেখি চাওঁতো মানে এপাহত লোৱা হয়
এইটো ভাল হয়
ভাল হয়
ফ্ৰেছ লাগিছে মোৰ কাৰণে মিঠাটো হ'লে ভাল মানে আচলতে
তুমি লৈ লোৱা অলপ মিঠা লাগে যদি
বহুত ধুনীয়া হৈছে চকুকেইটা